Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting Resort review. Today we're checking out the Doubletree Suites by Hilton Orlando Disney Springs. Located on the Disney World property, it offers a ton of benefits, just like the Disney hotels, for a way cheaper price. So let's check out the whole resort. So this property is the furthest away from Disney Springs while still being on Disney property. It's about a mile walk. But the suites are all two-room suites, so if you're traveling as a family, you got plenty of room to spread out. You'll notice the room needs a little bit of work and updating, but overall everything was very comfortable. It does have a microwave and a fridge there, a decent-sized fridge. So, a lot of amenities that hotels that cost a lot more don't include. Nice TV out in the living room. I felt like the TV in the bedroom could have used a little bit of work, maybe a little bit of updating. But overall, was pretty happy with this room despite its age, clearly showing the age. So we'll make our way into the bedroom here. Sliding door in between the bedroom and the living room, so if you're sharing with your kids, you do get a little bit of privacy there. As you can see, that small TV right there. And we'll make our way into the bathroom here, but nice little closet with a sliding door to store, some items, maybe let some ponchos dry if it's rainy in Orlando while you're there. And then an older granite countertop and a tub shower combo, which not my favorite, but got the job done. So one big benefit of staying at the Doubletree Suites at Disney Springs is that you are considered a Disney property, so you do have access to 30-minute early park access each day of your vacation at all the parks. They recently started that back up again with some changes. One thing I'll note is that I did try to use Disney Genie Plus for my day at Hollywood Studios, and at 7 a.m. you're allowed to buy Disney Plus, but if you're a guest staying at a non-Disney official resort, you do need to wait until park opening to be able to buy those extra attractions like Rise of the Resistance. So you may be out of luck being able to ride it with a lightning lane access if you stay on property here. So something that wasn't very clear when I booked, but something to note for the Disney fans. So right now we're just checking out the rest of the resort. It's pretty small, but I do qualify it as a resort. There was a pool and does have some grounds that you can stroll along. One other interesting aspect of the hotel is that they had 4 tennis courts, which are a lot of tennis courts for a Doubletree. Nevertheless, they did have them, so didn't see anyone on there during my trip. So if you're a big tennis player, those exist for you here at the Doubletree Suites. So we do have a pool bar out here that I did not dine at. You'll notice that the pool is absolutely nothing special, and shouldn't take a special trip out to this hotel to visit, especially when you compare it to other Hiltons that are in the Disney Springs area with lazy rivers, or other Disney hotels with very themed environments. But if you're looking for just a pool, a lot of kids don't really care, you do have one here. And there's a look back at the hotel, so not a big high rise. I think it's 7 stories or so, but out here is also where you'll find the gym. So interestingly, the gym is disconnected from the main hotel. If it's raining outside, you will have to sprint through the rain a little bit to get over here. And overall, a very small gym. If the hotel was sold out and you had a lot of exercisers out here, this would get cramped pretty quickly. But it does have, a weight rack and some kettlebells and some cardio equipment. Don't know how many people are using the gym out on Disney vacation, but there it is. So here's a shot of the tennis courts. They seem to be in decent shape. So that's an option for you here at the Doubletree Suites. And if the kids are not having enough fun at Disney, there is a playground here. There is a restaurant on property that's serving breakfast until 10 a.m. as well as a grab-and-go station. So that's where I use my Hilton Honors Diamond credit. But right now I really wanted to show you how early access works. So they scanned our magic bands, confirming that we had access because we linked our reservation in the My Disney Experience app. And then they'll let us into the actual park itself. And then we had to wait until 9:30 when the official early access began for us to make our way to Test Track. So yeah, that is the Doubletree Suites. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy resort tours like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.